I just got my Galaxy Note 10 Plus in the mail from Amazon. Just gonna do a quick unboxing. This is not a new phone, it is a refresh from Amazon, and it does come with a 90-day 100% satisfaction guarantee, so you can try it out for 90 days. If you're not completely satisfied, they will take it back, no questions asked. Now this is either someone bought it new, they didn't like it, and they returned it. It was refreshed, meaning it was refurbished. Either it had some or no cosmetic defects in it, either by the customer did it and the company, they refreshed it back to the manufacturer's original, how the manufacturer had it when they released it new. So I have here my Note 8. I had this one practically since it came out, and it's still in great condition, and I used it every day and still working great. And it's in the Android 10 at the moment. I upgraded it, but I was having some issues where the navigation actually stopped working, so I decided to upgrade. Now this one I ended up getting for a lot less than buying it new. I wanted it when it came out. I thought it was way too expensive at $1,100. I thought, I'm gonna wait. I mean, it wasn't when the Note 9 came out. I even decided that I didn't want to get that one. I didn't think it wasn't worth the upgrade, so I wanted to wait. And when this came out, I really liked it. So let's get underway here. So now it doesn't come wrapped or anything. It just comes in this box. Smartphone for smart people. So let's get this open here. And then so if you can see here, it comes in this plastic case inside. So we take it out of the box, and it has that nice film in the front. If you can see there, it's a Galaxy Note 10 Plus, Android. I got the black, and from what I can see, it does not have any scratches or any dents or whatsoever from it being a refresh. We have our pen down here. Now this is a 6.8 inch display. It has a 12 megapixel camera, has 12 gigs of RAM. The beast of a phone. And even though the new Note is gonna be coming out soon, this phone is not gonna be obsolete on any means. 6.8 inch display, 498 points per square inch. It has a 90%, almost 91% screen to body ratio. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 octa-core 2800 megahertz, 256 gigabytes internal, and it has you can upgrade it with the external memory. It has a really big battery, 4300 milliamp hours battery with a quick charge. Now let's go inside the box and see what it came with. So we'll put this over here. Now when you do buy it new, it does come with a 25 watt charger or brick. I believe this is the 25 watt one. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus is rated for the 45 watt, but Samsung was charging $50 for that plug. But this would suffice. I did also get some cases. These are not that expensive. The same thing with my Note 8. When I bought it, I bought not too expensive case. This case only cost me about $5 on Amazon, and I've had it for almost 2 years and it's still holding strong. I've dropped it plenty of times and it protected it no problem. Same thing here. I do not like naked phones. I know many people that hate having cases on their phone, but I hate having cracked screen. Many of those people that do not like having cases on their phone, they like it having nice and clean, like you see this one here, but they'll have scuffs on the edge, or sometimes they'll have a crack on the screen, and I really hate that. So let's get this powered on right here and see what it looks like. I normally leave this plastic screen on for a little bit, but there you go. That is the refresh from Amazon. It's practically almost half off, so you can check that out. And just for full disclosure, I did buy this with my own money, and the cases, no one's paying me, and I think this is a great phone, even though the newer one is gonna come out soon. Whoa, that's pretty cool. And thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and send me a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. You guys have a great day.